So you want to take on Hollywood, do you? To me, there are 6 steps to finding success in Hollywood. 1. Don't waste your time when you get out here. Hit the deck running. Do it yourself. Make something. Make something and put yourself in the driver's seat. You want to be a director, direct something. Write something, then direct it. Decide which one specifically you want to do. Is it commercials? Is it film? If it's film, I would suggest doing a short first and then moving on to a feature. Don't waste your time doing a bunch of shorts hoping that they kind of catch fire. They don't. Show that you can do longer form content and keep the viewer interested. Plus, you run the risk of it making money or getting seen at Sundance. You want to increase these odds. You want to make it into a major festival. So your main goal is to make a movie that gets into a major festival. You're going to start writing on your free time. Come up with a complete script. We made the mistake of moving forward without a complete script, and it took us years off path. So complete that fucking thing first, and then move forward. Get others to read the script. Don't just run off thinking it's gold. It's not. It's probably dog shit, to be honest with you. So do a rewrite and do as many as you need to make it strong.
I'm pregnant.
Once you got a strong script, shoot that bitch. How do you do that? You gotta raise funds. We went through friends and family, and then we did a Kickstarter campaign. If you can, shoot stuff on the weekends with friends. You're going to make this film for such a small amount of money that it's barely registered as a loss to your big investor. Okay? It's a tax write-off to them.
Okay, got
Everybody's
it.
going to tell you to quit.
Thanks
Everybody's
for the-
going to tell you to stop. Everybody's going to tell you to just settle for less. Do not quit until you feel satisfied with that project. If you walk away and you feel like you're cringing at the idea of somebody watching your movie, then guess what? Your movie isn't done yet. Everyone else just wants you to quit because they don't think you can do it. So they're saying, walk away from a movie before it's done to save yourself the dignity and embarrassment. You're not going to be embarrassed with something you're proud of. And you'll only reach that if you keep going. This is just my personal preference. But something else to keep in mind. Do not sacrifice your life for this dream. What do I mean by that? Yes, this is your dream. Good. You're on the right path. But there's more to your dream, isn't there? Weren't there other things you wanted to accomplish in life? All I'm saying is this is the kind of industry where you go after everything. If you're going to be a filmmaker, you don't just quit going after the rest of life. You pursue it all. You pursue it all like it's a hidden treasure. You go to win the game. The game has many levels, and you got to beat them all. Okay? You're a filmmaker, great, but you're also alone, dead broke, and living in your car. That's horrible. See? That's not success. This is the most tragic thing I've seen. They put off everything, thinking they can do it later. Right now, they're just enjoying their lives and not taking anything too seriously. That mindset has made more people actually clinically depressed than anything else in the world. More people are clinically depressed because they keep pushing off their dreams. That's what's happening. Till the point where their dreams are no longer possible. You're an actor, filmmaker, whatever. Be that. But live. Want kids? Have kids. Want to get married? Get married. Want a stable life? Have a stable life. Don't ignore all the other dreams you want. When I say you get seduced in Hollywood, I'm reminded of Homer's lotus eaters from the Odyssey. When Odysseus ran into them, remember? It was like an aphrodisiac. It feels this wonderful feeling. And you'll notice you fall in love easy and everybody's running around and feelings are everywhere. But what you don't know is how much time you're losing. How much valuable time you're losing to become that thing that can make you something different. Because in Hollywood, you'll hear everybody tell you how things should be, what you have to say, what you're allowed to say, what would get you blacklisted, what would get you canceled. All that's crap. It's all fake. It's just fake. It's a trick to have control over you. Now just come out here and do whatever the hell you want anyways. If you were in the stands looking at a football field and 100 people were running one direction, Would you be able to spot one person out of all that? No. But what if one person was running the other way, the opposite direction? Yeah. History remembers the bold, not those who go with the grain, but those who go against it. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And to those who already have, thank you. From the bottom of my heart, thank you. We're going to do something great with this channel. We're going to learn about Hollywood together, folks. I'm on the journey, and you're coming with me.